Holy moly smokes! This game already scares me. Shit. Okay, guys. After searching for horror games on my mobile, finally found this scary looking game. Look at this. It looks scary and legit. It's called Granny. Granny. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's so beautiful. Damn. How come? And look, oh my gosh, what is she holding? Looks like a joint. She's smoking a joint. She must be crazy, Granny. Crazy Granny. Okay, guys, I haven't played this game. Let's do this together. Let's play this together. Okay, what do we have here? Difficulty. How about extreme? No. Oh, Granny moves faster than you. No, I don't want her to move faster than me. I'm too slow. I can't run. Okay, let's give it. No, okay. Warning: do not play if you have nightmares. Okay, I don't usually have nightmares. I'm gonna play it anyway, but I'm scared. Tip: be quiet. She hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sounds. Press and hold the remove button and free yourself from bed traps. Hide in the beds or in cabinets. You have 5 days. Use headphones for best experience. Get out of there! You only have 5 days. All you need is in the house and be quiet. She hears everything. And Granny's crazy. Good luck. Granny's smoking a joint. She is crazy. So guys. Okay. Let's do this. Hang on. Oh. Day 1. Okay. Gaida. Okay. Hang on. Ooh, what a house. Looks like blood everywhere. Okay. Oh, anak kita. Oh, my bed. Tangkading sudah. Oh, peludo mau. My gosh. Okay, let's see here. What do we have? Okay. Oh, we can open this. Okay. There's nothing. I was hoping of a gun. Okay. Leave this house. No, I have to. 5 days. Okay. What do we have? Okay. Okay. I can open this. Okay. Oh, where am I? Oh, I can hide. Oh, I guess somebody's coming. Oh. Why is the music getting scarier? Oh my gosh. Lawan Granny. Granny, please, Granny, go away. Go away, Granny. Shit. Balik ang music kalau kumita. Hapan up, sure. Okay, akan jai try. Chill. I have to leave this house. How? I have no idea. Okay, cari situ. Okay. Gikanai. Okay. Nani? Nani? Hey, beli yang mak kisho. Okay. Kang sure. Okay. Okay, kata. Shabby. Hide. Kom nu Johan. Ilaiya. Okay. Mating pelat. Okay, I'm gonna guys. I'm gonna guys. Okay, ada Shabby. Kalau diwat jengkang. Okay. Jared biang sini dan mission. Yang dan issue try. Ada biar Shabby itu. Shengan. Okay, jengkang. Okay. Habis. Lawan Granny. Shay. Itu. Please. Granny, please. Pimpat yang. Okay. Apet. Good. Gây cả tiếng nữa trong bao. Itu, coba ngadon hadian. Ya tim na badan ni. Mari. Syahidan. Granny, where are you? No, I have to move out. Come on. Okay, she's not here. What is this? She's coming! Hide under the bed! No! Holy smokes! This game is scary as shit. Holy smokes. I think I'm having a heart attack. Why am I playing this game? Okay. How about I try something different now? I'll just run. Okay? I'm gonna run downstairs. Oh no. You see behind me? No. Granny. No, Granny, no. Where is she? Okay. I'm going down there. Okay. Where am I going? I don't know. Okay. What is this? Ooh, what is this? Where am I reaching? Oh, a car. Oh, can I enter? Oh, what is that? Okay, a part of a shotgun. Hey, drop Shabina. Hey, she's coming. My heart is breaking apart. Okay. Guy, defo 48 minit ni yen. Penanda. Please be kind to me, Granny. Okay, mentah ada sini yang tertemu. Okay. Masuk. Okay, dan ni kini dan ni. On. No, she saw me again. How come? Okay, that last day. Okay, I have to do something now. I have to leave this house. It's so difficult. Why is it so difficult? Oh my gosh, I have no idea what to do. Okay, let's go out. I haven't tried that door there. Okay, let's try this door. Okay. Ooh, what is this place? Ooh, I can hide here. No! I fell. No! Shit! Where am I? No! What? I guess she... Oh my gosh, she tied me. No, she's gonna hit me with a car. No! Guy, please, Granny, please. Ayap. What your keep, huh? Kabit.